Jazz and wine. Great access for jazz with Culbertson. Walking distance to venue, very roomy and very clean unit with good parking. Close to many great restaurants and shops. Short driving distance to many vineyards. Great retreat away. We enjoyed our stay and would go back. Clean, lots to do. Feels like you are at a resort somewhere else but yet still close to town. Watch out for the resort fees that they will add on. Great value, great place. My wife and I stayed here for 3 days. Pleasantly surprised with not only the size of the rooms but also the luxury bathroom amenities as well. The bottle of wine on the counter didn't hurt our mood either. Napa weekend for a meeting. Overall comfortable and a good value for the money. I've also stayed at the Meritage next door, which is a traditional hotel. Vino Bello is a timeshare, so the living space is much larger. Probably my biggest complaint is the inadequate parking. There were several events going on while I was there and parking was essentially non-existent. Exceptional. Beautiful resort with close proximity to the town of Napa and all the wineries in the vicinity. Great location and amenities. Would highly recommend to stay when in the area. Exceptional. We had a great stay. Everything, star, 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 star. From the moment we arrived until the moment we left, we were taken care of, and we had everything we needed right there at the hotel. The Trinitas wine tasting was the best we tried in all of Napa Valley. Absolutely loved it. The resort is beautiful, there are so many amenities you never really even have to leave. Awesome. This resort is so beautiful and kid-friendly. Close to everything but you don't need to leave, everything you need is right here. Wedding, adult and family pools, staff constantly cleaning, helpful with all needs. Solo trip. The rooms at Vino Bello were really nice. The only thing I did not like was the extremely high jacuzzi tub. This is extremely dangerous to have to lift your legs so high to get up in there to take a shower. I almost fell over a few times. Great place to stay in Napa. Amenities in the room was complete even with a washer and dryer even though they were a bit old. We were charged extra resort fee that we weren't aware of when booking though.